Oh, wow. All right, this is the best Epcot ride ever. Welcome back to Fun Fiero. I'm Andy.
I'm Liz. I'm Morgan.
We are here at the Polynesian Resort.
Oh, it smells so beautiful.
It smells awesome. We got our leis, and we are starting our Walt Disney World vacation. This is our travel day. We started off in Colorado. We went through the airport there. We got on the plane. We got here to Orlando safe and sound. And now we are here at the Polynesian Resort, going to try to get some dinner. But if nothing else, we're just going to look around and have some fun and hang out with you guys. So thanks, come along with us. Welcome home. Let's go have some fun. This whole vacation series is going to be awesome, guys. We're actually doing Florida for the first few days and then Georgia for the last few days. And we're gonna be having some really good times. We're starting it off here at the Polynesian. Of course, we're gonna try to find some food, but this whole week's gonna be full of fun, from Magic Kingdom, Disney Springs, Helen, Georgia, Oktoberfest. And we are looking forward to bringing you all along with us. We are in the boutique here at the Polynesian, and Morgan just found the perfect, look at this.
I love Stitch. Little shoulder orange birds. They're so stinking cute.
$19.99, and you can have your own little orange bird. How perfect. If for some reason we just can't come to the Poly and say we've been to the Poly without going into the boutique, because it's always so fun in here and there's always some cool merchandise. The Polynesian is definitely a home of Lilo and Stitch, right? Because look at this fan. And before we go find dinner, let's take you guys over and check out our off-site room. This is the first time we've stayed off-site for a while, so we want to share it with you guys. Let's go take a look at our room tour. We're here at the Grand Villas Resort by Diamond Resorts. But we are in a one-bedroom, and this is our first time staying off-site in so long. But we're going to Disney, and we figured, hey, this is a great way to save some money right now. So let's see if it kind of lives up to the cost savings.
Let's go. So we do have a couch. This does pull down into a queen-size bed, so that's super cool. And then here we have our kitchenette. All right, we did order from Amazon Fresh. It was here waiting on us and we got here. So we've got some just essentials in the kitchen. All right. They provided coffee, a little bit of creamer. We bought creamer though, and sugar. But then you got your toaster oven, coffee pot, microwave. This is such a cute little oven. It is. And then you have full utensils. So pretty much everything you need. Definitely everything you need. And now to the bedroom. All right, so here, cute little table. It does have leaves that do come up, so that's kind of nice. Now this is supposed to have been a queen size bed, but oh darn, looks like we got a king size bed. Cute little balcony right over there. TV here. Oh, there was a TV in the other room, which didn't show you, but there is a TV there. And then into the bathroom, which I think is the best part of this room. This is just your standard closet, towels, safe. Okay, but check this out. Double vanity. How nice is this? Drawers, storage. But oh, if you get a bath bomb from Basin, you've got this beautiful tub to use. How killer is that? And just in case, utility shower, and then you've got a powder room right there. This is a very nice bathroom. I think this bathroom is bigger than like maybe the Pop Century's room. Like it's long. It's so super nice. I'm so super stoked.
And as Liz said, here is the other TV. So there's a TV right there and a second closet as well that you can hang clothes.
Bitty pantry.
And you got the trash can. We've got some water in there as well. And then, of course, the pull-out bed for Morgan.
This is easily double the space that we get with the value room. And we're paying about $70 a night. This is a really nice room.
So now the big question is going to be, is it comfortable? Does it sleep well? We just got here. We unloaded everything.
Super quiet, though.
It is super quiet, so will it stay that way? Of course, we're not going to be in the room much, So there's that. So it's cheap. It's roomy enough. Hopefully it sleeps well.
It's about 2.5 miles from Disney Springs. It's right
2.5
down the
miles?
road. We're super close. We saw the entrance coming up here.
Yep. So now we're gonna get out and have some more fun.
Yeah.
Just a little extra cuteness added by our resort. Look at those cute little light up balls. So for dinner tonight, we are doing the Tambu Lounge here at the Polynesian. This is Ohana's bar, basically. And they have got a drink menu that will put any other lounge to shame, I think. This is pretty amazing. And also, they have some amazing treats that we're going to try. So we're going to do the Ohana noodles. We're going to do the Ohana pot stickers. We're going to do the wings. And then also, Liz is going to try out the ribs as well. So we think that we're actually checking on the wings and the ribs. But we're pretty sure we can do those gluten-free. But we're really excited and can't wait to share it with you guys.
So I'm trying the watermelon margarita, but I'm doing it spicy. I cannot wait to have the spicy margarita with the ribs. Yum.
I'm getting my noodles. I've been wanting these noodles because I love noodles. I'm getting the noodles. And the lemonade. Yeah, we watched a video and it was like an iridescent lemonade and I'm getting it.
I am going to do the Lapu Lapu. So I've never had it. It looks fun. It's the big you'll see. It's this massive pineapple and they just fill it full of rum. So looking forward to see what that's going to be like. One of the hardest things that's going on right now is all the fireworks from Disney Enchantment is going off right now. And we are here. We could literally turn our heads, and I'm trying not to, we could turn our heads and actually look out the window and watch the fireworks going right now. But we want to really, and Morgan too, she wants to be surprised by the experience. So we're waiting till tomorrow night to catch that. So definitely catch the next video, but let's see what dinner is like. And by the way, guys, wanted to let you know the Tambu Lounge, you can just walk up. There's no reservation required. As long as it's first come, first serve, as long as they have space, you get it. And look at this table. Look at this. I mean, we're in these nice, relaxing chairs. I mean, this is nice. We got the football game going on in the background. Not watching the football game right now. The drinks just came, and look at this. Oh my gosh, that is a whole pineapple filled with just different kinds of rum. But look at this too. We got the pot stickers and the Ohana noodles. Oh my goodness. What does that make you?
So it's like edible glittery sugar and you put it iridescent sugar and you put it in and then it like dissolves and
Oh, look at it shimmer.
it's so pretty. Like a pink lemonade. It's really good.
What kind of drink do you have, Liz?
I have the spicy watermelon margarita. And it is nice and spicy and like watermelony. That's so good.
So I've got to try. It's so big I can't even pick it up. All right, let's try this together here. Woo! Wow. It's really smooth though. It's actually really good. But yeah, there's a lot of alcohol in there, but it's good. It's smooth. It's yummy. I like it. That's definitely got the pineapple taste to it.
I've got the ribs, yellow peppers on them. I've got coleslaw. I'm about to dig in. They smell divine. It is so juicy and so tender. I mean, it literally fell right off the bone. Oh wow. Good call. Our waitress is good call.
All right, Morgan, it's noodle time. What do you got?
Oh my god, those are so good. Wow.
Are they everything you want them to be?
Yes, and more.
All right, here we go, guys. I'm doing the noodles. In we go. Those are good. Those are really good. I'm a fan now. That's the first time I've ever had the Ohana noodles. I'm sold. Wow. Those are really good. Now, I'm going in for a pot sticker. Here we go. Here we go. We'll just take a little bite off the end here. pot stickers is where it's at. Can't wait to try the wings. Okay, so Liz just gave me a bite of her rib. It's so good. The glaze on it, it's so good. It's so tender. I can't believe how tasty this is. So highly, it's the best thing for sure. Curiosity just got the best of me. Let's take a look inside of the Lapu Lapu and see what's in here. Oh, so it's literally just a cored out pineapple with a whole bunch of rum. Yeah, so way to keep it simple, Disney. The wings have arrived. Look at this.
A little bit of coleslaw. Spicy chipotle. I don't know. Aioli. And they've got a spice. You can smell the spice when you just like smell them. This is gonna be messy and very, very hot.
God, they just like fell off the bone.
They did. If only I had done that better. They're definitely kind of crunchy. That's a really good flavor, y'all. Not too overly spicy, but really, really good.
That's a good amount of flavor. It does have a kick though.
Now, I will give it a taste as well. They are delicious.
They are.
It does have a kick, but it's not too powerful. So far, my favorite. We've had the noodles, the Ohana noodles. We've had the pot stickers. We've had the ribs, and we've had the wings. My favorite is the ribs by far. They are amazing. Oh my gosh. Second to that would definitely be these wings, and then also I would put the wings and the noodles like right there next to each other. But the pot stickers it's all amazing. But yeah, the ribs definitely stole the show for me. I just found out one of the most amazing things, and that is that the Lapu Lapu is a meal and a drink. Look at this. You could just cut off the side and it's already soaked. All right, let's just try it out together. Let's try it out together. Here we go. Here's my chunk. Here we go. Is it good? Yes, it's good. It's so good. All right. When you get the Lapu Lapu, take your knife, go around, and just cut off the meat of it, and now you have a meal. You have an appetizer and a drink, and it's already soaked, and it's amazing. Oh my goodness, guys! Look at this. This is the Ohana bread pudding. Look how pretty that flour is, and you got the ice cream and the bread, and then you have the caramel sauce. I'm going to attempt to do this. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. All right, guys, here we go. This is the bite. I'm gonna take the pretty flour, and we're just gonna, it's already stuck because of all the caramel. Oh my goodness, it's a caramel river. All right, here we go. Ice cream, bread pudding, caramel sauce. Here we go. Yeah, it's all that.
It's amazing.
This is like, and we had the bread pudding, which was really good at the Caribbean Beach Resort, but this beats it hands down. This is the original, the OG, and it's amazing. Oh. Yes.
So I got another one of the iridescent lemonade things, but our waiter, Audria, at the Tambu Lounge recommended doing it with Sprite instead because the lemonade is sometimes too strong for it. So she gave me the drink with Sprite. So we're gonna see how well it is and how it compares. I'm just gonna dunk it in and then mix. Okay, I think we got it all mixed up. Oh my god. It tastes like a strawberry Sprite, but it's not like over the top. It's really good. I kind of like it better than the lemonade because it isn't as strong and it's just more of an easier drink than the lemonade. It's still really good and I still like the flavor. So 10 out of 10 would recommend doing it with Sprite.
All right, so the bread pudding did us in, and man, we are stuffed. So we are now going to, if we can, and I don't know if this is going to happen or not, but we're going to try to get the monorail, head over to Epcot, and get a little bit of Harmonious for you guys as we kind of go through with the monorail. So we're going to try to do that, but we are stuffed. Oh, also, our awesome cast member waitress gave us a little to-go cup for our bread pudding because we could not finish it all. It was just so much. But we did. We managed to get about half of it.
Yeah.
So now we're going to head over and see if we can do this thing. Like a beacon of hope, the Epcot monorail sign beckons us to get on, and I have no idea if we're going to get onto this. All right, problem is that Harmonious started 6 minutes ago, and I think that the time that it takes to get to Epcot, I don't think we're going to see anything of it. However, if we can still just like get a loop on the Epcot monorail, it's a win for us. But hopefully we'll still get to see some of Harmonious, maybe some of the fireworks. I don't know. It's going to be a close call. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. We are getting in the very front. Now, I don't think we're going to get the very front car because I don't think they do that anymore. But this is just the perfect timing. Look at this.
Monorail.
We could have not come at a better time, and this is the perfect timing for this monorail. I gotta say, I'm so excited to be on a monorail right now. This is our first monorail ride of the whole trip. So we're going to Epcot, guys. Hopefully we'll be able to see the beacons of magic or beacons of light. We'll be able to see Harmonious fireworks still going. I'm not sure about that, but we're almost there. We're getting there. But just to see it all, just my beautiful, grand, miraculous spaceship Earth all lit up. I'm so excited right now. It's like seriously like anticipating Christmas morning as a child. I'm so excited. And we're on a monorail. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the fireworks. Oh my gosh, that's Harmonious. Oh wow. All right, this is the best Epcot ride ever. You guys see all of that? Wow. That is the straight up just normal lighting for Spaceship Earth during Harmonious. Yeah, they don't have anything really going on with it. Oh my gosh. We're slowing down. We're slowing down. This is the normal lighting for Spaceship Earth. With just a few of the sparkles of the lights on there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. They're so look at Harmonious. There it is. There it is. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It is way better.
Look at the fireworks. Hello, Figment. Oh, that was so neat.
It's a heart. It's a heart.
Here we are leaving Epcot on the monorail, and there's Spaceship Earth illuminated with the beacons of light. How cool is that? She looks so pretty. We'll be back real soon. That does it, guys. We had an amazing time this evening. We had an amazing travel day, quite frankly.
Yeah.
And no hiccups. Everything went nice and smooth. We had a perfect dinner at the Poly, at the Tambu Lounge there.
So good.
It was so good, and we had amazing food. And I was thinking like, oh, we're not going to get the same kind of experience if we don't do Ohana. I was wrong. We had all we could possibly eat.
Oh yeah.
And we all got the Lay's from the Polynesian, and I had it all over me tonight. It was horrible. It's all over my shirt. But I enjoyed wearing it. It was so much fun, and I hope you guys having a great time with us. We have so much more to come. Tomorrow we're doing Magic Kingdom, then we're doing Disney Springs, then we're doing Oktoberfest in Helen, Georgia. It's going to be a great week, guys. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning. But if you haven't yet, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't.
Hit that notifications bell. That way you're going to know every time we go live or we put up a video.
Yep, and until next time, get out there, have some fun, and we'll see you on the flip side.